Hello guys, today we are gonna make some burfi. It's easy to do. You need 3 cups of milk powder and all the ingredients are in the description. So first we have to put all the ingredients which are down and then mix them together, then put it in the microwave. Make sure there's thick consistency and it's not very liquidy. Then after that you put it in the microwave and each 1 minute you take it out and stir it. Follow the steps in the video that is shown, then we are going to tell you what we have to do next. If you do not have a microwave, then you can do it in a pan but in low heat. So make sure it's in low heat and stir it continuously for 5 to 6 minutes, then it'll be ready. Once you're done with that, then what you can do is you can put that into a plate or a bowl or whatever your choice. Then you can make a shape. Then after you make a shape, you can put some almonds and then put it in the fridge. After an hour, then you take it out from the fridge. Then after that, cut it into pieces. Then your burfi will be ready. So enjoy and good luck. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. So I hope you try this recipe and thanks for watching.